Bless up everybody worldwide. It's your boy Clean Car Chris. Welcome back to my channel where it's all about car detailing with nothing but good vibes. Today I got a quick product review for you guys all about this Fanttik V8 Mate cordless vacuum. Let's see, does this vacuum suck or not? Yeah guys, come on over. I have it in the box. I already use this product guys, but I decided to leave it in the box and kind of show you how it would come. Here it is. Pretty cool packaging, I would think. Let's show you how it comes guys. Here we have, you know, the usual user manual. Here it is. Of course, when it comes guys, all this stuff is in kind of, you know, plastic. Here is the main part of the product, the actual vacuum itself. I think it's pretty sleek, pretty cool looking. Let me say something guys, I really liked how it looked. That's what drew my attention to it. However, it was actually around 95 to 100 bucks on Amazon, I believe. But guess what? I went on not too long ago and found it for 50% off. That's what kind of pushed me over the hump to actually go ahead and purchase it. Check it out. On button. And then for turbo speed, you press this button. Off. There we go. Let's kind of keep it locked there. You want to open it. Press that. Click that. All your debris will go in here. You can then just dump it out. Also, you can twist this apart like this. So you have your filters here, guys. Pull that out just like that. And here you have your filter, guys. You have this kind of more of a mesh type filter. You can remove this also. You just kind of give it a little twist, pull it off. And in here you'll have your HEPA filter. Easy to clean guys. You can just blow this off. You can see a little bit of debris there from some vacuuming I was doing yesterday with it. These are replaceable also, so you can just clean it out. Very simple. Or you can, this piece you can actually just wash out. Again, slide it in, give it a little twist, and then just push it back in like that. Pretty awesome, right guys? Also comes with a little charging USB cord. Everything pretty much comes with this stuff these days guys. Comes with a storage bag. Nice quality stuff. Comes with a little brush to help you when you're cleaning. There's an attachment here guys. I guess this is more for carpets and stuff. Easy connection with all the attachments guys. Just clicks in. Pull it out. As this attachment also. A little couple bristles. I guess you can use this for maybe your air vents and stuff. I do find these bristles a little bit maybe too firm for your air vents and stuff, but I guess that's up to personal opinion. The two attachments I really like guys and that I use the most is this one here. See? Is it like that? Pretty cool. And then now we have this one, which I probably find myself using the most, I guess. You know, it gives you a little bit of, you know, room to play with. Has this nice little slot for in the crevices and stuff like that. All right, guys, let me stress. This vacuum is not to replace your main vacuum. This vacuum is just for quick touch-ups. It's powerful. For a little vacuum, yes, but not powerful enough to replace your main vacuum, of course. So let me show you how I like to use it. Real quick, let's do it. Quick demonstration, guys. As you can see, this is my work truck, but look, check inside. You know, nothing too bad. A little bit of debris in there. Draw for this. I just go right ahead and just put it on the turbo mode. All right, guys, like I said earlier, this vacuum is not to replace your main vacuum. It's for quick touch-ups. As detailers, we all know when we're done doing the vehicle, sometimes you might have to enter the vehicle again and you might track some debris in there. So rather than pulling out your main vacuum, cranking up the generator and all that again, you can just draw for this and get the job done. Alright guys, you can see the dirt in here, the debris. Like I said, just open it out. It's that easy and simple to use, guys. Alright my people, my honest opinion on this product, yes, it looks cool. Yes, it works for what I need it to do, light touch-up work. However, price realistically, guys, for $100, I'm not so sure. I got it because it was 50% off on Amazon. I got it for $50. That's what made me initially pull the trigger. You know what I mean, guys? So if you're looking for a cordless vacuum, there are many options out there. I highly recommend you get one. I'm not saying you have to get this one, but you don't know, guys, it's really convenient as us detailers to have a product just to go in there, do a quick touch-up, so you don't have to use your main vacuum. You don't know, guys, it's Clean Car Chris. Another one at you again, every Wednesday, 4 p.m. Keep it locked. Like, share, subscribe every time.